Dimensional analysis is the method that allows us to convert correctly from one unit of measurement to another unit of measurement. Dimensional analysis problems are worked like this. The quantity needed is equal to the quantity given multiplied by one or more conversion factors. Here is an example. How many milliliters are in 7.5 gallons? So I am being asked to convert gallons to milliliters. I am given a couple of pieces of information. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, and 1 quart is equal to 946 milliliters. So, I set up my problem by realizing that I am looking for milliliters, and I am given 7.5 gallons. Please notice that gallon is in the numerator, and so I need to set up my conversion factor so that I have gallons in the denominator. My information tells me that there is 4 quarts for every 1 gallon. So I write my conversion factor with quart in the numerator and gallon in the denominator. I can cancel the unit gallon. That leaves me with quart. However, I am looking for milliliters, so I'm not finished with my work. I look back at my problem statement, and I am also told that there are 946 milliliters for every 1 quart. Quart is in the numerator here. I need to put quart in the denominator and milliliters in the numerator. I need to be careful that I keep the numbers associated with the correct unit. And so I look at my work now, and I see that I have quart in the numerator here, quart in the denominator here. I can cancel the quart. After I cancel the quart, I am left with milliliters. Milliliters is my goal. It is what I'm trying to obtain. So I seem to have done the dimensional analysis correctly. I need to stop now and do the math. So I multiply 7.5 times 4 times 946, and I divide all of that by 1 times 1. My unit is milliliter. And so the first thing I do is to simply work the problem and record what the calculator tells me, which is 28,380 milliliters. And I will double check that to make sure that I did that calculation correctly in the calculator, and I get the same number again. And so now it's time to consider significant digits. This is my measurement. It has 2 significant digits in it. The conversion from gallon to quart is an exact conversion factor. A gallon is defined as 4 quarts. So this factor is exact, and it is not going to affect the number of significant digits in my answer. However, when I get to this factor, it is a conversion between the metric system and the English system. It is a rounded conversion factor. It is inexact, and it will affect the number of significant digits in my answer. When I look at this conversion factor, the rounded portion of that conversion factor is 946. There are 3 significant digits in 946. So now I need to consider 2 significant digits as compared to 3 significant digits. 2 is smaller than 3, and so I need to round my answer to 2 significant digits. So I will report this answer as 28,000 milliliters. I will not underline any zeros. If I do not like that answer, I can express it in exponential notation, which would be 2.8 times 10 to the 4th milliliters.